I would not mind a 5 for 10. Every single time. They usually pop off really easy, granted, but it's just like, do I really feel like pinging my line 3 times every... Man, just get it. Thank you. Another little white bass.
Nice.
Yep. They're mean. Hey, we'll take a nice little white bass. Makes you wonder, like, I don't know, makes you kind of want to switch, because if these white bass are hitting, you know. I would not mind a 5 for 10. 5 for... Oh, you see it? There we go. Woo! Another white bass. Hell yeah. Oh. Number 3. Now we are 3 for 3. Do you have braid on? Braid definitely helps. There we go. A little one, but hey, we'll take it. Quattro. Hey. 4. We'll take it. It's always like right when it gets close to me too. Like, do these fish just follow it for like a mile? Oh, that's a better one. This might not be a white bass. Or he's foul hooked, I can't tell. He's definitely hooked weird. Yeah, that's why he felt bigger. Look, he's not even in his mouth. Poor guy. Number 5. 5 white bass.
Let's put the cast to the test.
The first fish I caught was definitely the biggest one. Like, by far. It literally did. Oh, just kidding. That's a smallmouth. That's a monster. Stay on, please. That's smallmouth, bud. Woo! Oh, bank, 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 bank. I'll tell you in a sec. Oh my God. How many did you take? Can you have access to your phone? Mine's really hard to get. Oh. Dude, my heart is beating so hard right now. Oh my gosh, look at this unit. Oh, that's a largemouth, I think. Maybe another smallmouth. That is another smallmouth. Dude. Oh, nah, that's another football, bub. 37, nice little white bass. Positive, but I think something tried just now. I won't count it because I'm not positive. I think it was a super like lazy effort. Nope, it was. It hit? Yeah, it just hit for sure that time. Completely missed though, didn't even touch the lure. I saw his whole body though, he's a little guy. Little white bass probably. 7 for 18. He was right there. Yep. That is a rock bass, my friend. They're very pretty though. This is the first rock bass I've caught in a long time. Species number 3. Yeah. Little rock bass. He's full, bud. Why are you eating, man? You're being greedy. Pregnant? Nah, I don't think so. I think they already spawned. White bass, number 9. There you go. Good job. Nice little white bass right there. There's more pecking. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Back in we go. I got a largemouth. No, that's smallmouth. Thank you.
Give me 2 casts.
Yep.
What?
He came right out from this rock right here and just smashed it, dude. Back to back. Another rock bass. Nice little rock bass. Off you go. Apparently they do. Uh-oh. As soon as I cast it, I had another hit. Oh, your drag's too loose, bro. No, on the rock. Smallmouth. Pig, dude. He's fat.
I feel like inevitable if you do a lot.
Yeah. Got it. Hey, we doubled. Doubled up, baby. Oh, nice. And then you're tight. Here we go. That was actually a really bad example. Oh, there you go. Hog. Whoa! Almost man down.
About took it on that one.
Nice. They keep. All right. Are you kidding me?